Alright. What is Teachios by NP the Big Pigeon T for Mr. Glurkenston's history class? Yeah. Teachios is a world-building project created in 2023 by MPT and world-renowned author Coconut Carl 23. Teachios' birthday is on December 15th because that's what it's named. This isn't Teachios down here, this is Earth, but it's like Earth. Teachios takes place on the planet Teachios in the Bohemian planetary system, like our solar system, and it's almost twice as big as Earth. And the sun is called the Hem, like a hemisphere, because it lights up half of the Earth. But it's in this it's Teachios. And the moon is called the Mare, like Meridian, because the middle. And Teachios has huge oceans, and because of its size, there are tiny islands with lots of individual cultures and religions that they fight. Teachios has two popular religions, which have been fought over for centuries. The first one is Astrodeism, and it worships the sun a lot, most often, and it focuses on things like forgiveness and progress. And Cosmodeism often worships the moon and focuses on order and discipline. And both religions are divided into various sects around the world that worship different stars and constellations in different regions, and so they have different beliefs and practices. Teachios has a lot of countries, but here are the most important. We have Tagos, and they're like the big developed ones, and we have Centon, and they're like a commonwealth of like farmers, and they're like and they worship the deer. And then you have Sanadia, and they worship one of the fighter figures in Cosmodeism, and because they have the moon. We have Westphalia, and they're like the British. And then you have Blusa, and they worship a flower figure. And then you have Bakosh, and they're like the Russian Empire. They all fight a lot of wars, and most of them are because of things like nationalism and imperialism and border disputes and religion. And there's also a lot of important people and events who that will be revealed when the wiki drops in like 5 years. And it also has elements of science fiction and low fantasy, because it isn't entirely fantasy, but it has weird stuff in it, and it's kind of inspired by things like Stalker and Arc Raiders, like style-wise in some things, and Fallout and Trepang 2, and other things. And thank you for watching Teachios. And I